Alright guys, welcome back to another video.
Thanks, ugly guy.
As you can see, I started this video right where I left off on the other video. In the other video I showed you guys how to put the flywheel, clutch, and transmission on with all the torque specs. So that's said and done. Now what I got to do is put the engine in the engine bay. So before I do that, I got to go get the hardware for here. You guys saw in my last video that these things were already stripped, the threads were damaged, so I retapped them to a bigger thread. So those are ready to go. All I got to do is go get the bolts. So before I put the engine in, I'm gonna go to the AutoZone real quick. Hopefully they have those bolts available. If not, I won't be able to do much, which is gonna suck. So yeah, I do gotta get a oil pressure sensor because mine is fucked up. Let me show you guys. I wasn't even sure. I'm not even sure how this thing was connected, to be honest, because this thing is all burnt. See that? And I don't know what this connects to. There's nothing that's I can't find anything where it connects to. Other than this, seems like it connects right here. Just shut that right there. So I'm not sure if that's right. I don't know, I gotta figure it out, but we'll see. Other than that, just start taking the hood off and putting the fucking engine in. All right, boys, as you guys can see, the engine's finally in the car. I've actually been working on it a little bit. I've been putting all the stuff back where it was. I'm trying to do as much as I can without having to go back and look at my pictures, but I mean, so far I haven't. So far I've been doing good. Every harness is back. Well, the majority of the harness is all connected, and the T-case is connected already too. As you can see, I ended up getting new bolts for the mount, so that's done too, and new hardware also there too. And then what else? If you guys saw the way I put the engine in on the time lapse, I had a strap holding on to the cherry picker up here on the chain. So when you put it in, you wanna strap the motor up level. The way you see it here, you wanna strap it up, and it's not gonna fit there. Like, it's not gonna fit like that. You can see in the time lapse that I kind of lower the strap down and put the transmission side in first. So once I do that, you get that in there first. Once you do that, then you strap it back up, and then you lower the engine down. That way this side can go down leveled. Because if you do it when the engine's straight the way it is now, it's not gonna work. And you're gonna be hitting over here, messing up your belts. So if you guys were able to catch that, well, that's the way I did it. But other than that, I did run into some issues yesterday. And I ended up you guys can see the reel I made for that oil filter. I ended up stripping that stupid shit for some reason, but I was able to get a die chaser. It's a 20mm by 1.5. So if you guys ever run into that issue, you guys go ahead and get that die chaser from Amazon. I got the whole set for 40 bucks. So I mean, I was fucking shitting it when I found out that she was stripped. There's no actual good video on how to fix that. So I figured I made a reel about it, so you guys can check that out. I already posted it for those of you guys who have seen it. But either way, that's done, and I'm happy I was able to fix that. So I couldn't even fucking sleep at night because of this shit. But the first thing I did when I got the dye chaser, I started working on that, and it only took about 15 minutes. But there's a whole video on that too. So but either way, this is how far I am right now. Like I said, I got the T case in, and I'm about to put the under plate on for the transmission mount, the one that holds the transmission up, and then I'll start connecting my oil lines. And what else? Oh yeah, my axles. Oh, you're basically starting all over. Like the way you take out the car is the way you put it back. I mean, I don't see why I have to make such a big video about this, but yeah. Oh, and the ejectors, I'm gonna leave those on for now, and I'm hoping the pump I have on now will keep the car on idle well. I'm hoping I don't have to how do I explain this? I'm hoping I can turn the car on and the car idles good with that 440 pump and whatever the injectors this car has already. I mean, to play it safe, I can always change the pump too, back to the old one, just to turn the car on. But I don't know, we'll see. But for sure, I'm gonna leave these injectors on, and I'm hoping the fuel pressure regulator is good enough to put the amount of fuel it needs. But if that makes sense. But I mean, other than that, well, yeah, that's all I'm gonna do. Leave those injectors there. Make sure I put the stupid harnesses for the rear. I gotta take out that plenum off, and put the PMP connectors on, and just fucking start going ham on this. And this motor mount is cracked too, so I gotta fix that also. You guys can see the cracks there. It's all fucked up, bent to shit. So I'm gonna make another one. All I'm gonna do is just not hard. I'm just gonna take that shit apart and make one quick. And what else? I feel like I'm forgetting something. I don't know. I'm not too sure. But oh, my fans too. I gotta show you guys how I wired my fans. I got switches for that. Let me show you guys. For those of you guys who want to put toggle switches for your fans, that's what I'm learning. I made that bracket, made it fit, put some screws in there, and done. But yeah. Yeah, I don't know how far I'm gonna get with this video, but I'm just gonna keep going ham. I just don't see a purpose of recording other than if I run into some issues and figure out a way to fix them, I'll show you guys. But for now, let's get back to it. Alright, I figured I'd just show you guys, since I'm doing everything under the car right now. Right now I'm letting as you can see, I'm letting the transmission oil drain. I'm checking out the oil. It doesn't seem like it has a lot of metal. Like there's like barely anything. So I got a good feeling about this transmission. I'll show you guys what I'm using as for transmission fluid right now. So I gotta let it drain a little bit. Alright guys, so these are the oils I'm using. This is for the T case right here. You got that SAE90. It's OEM for Mitsubishi Motors. I have another one for the diff too. That's inside. Then for the transmission, I'm using MT85. You got 3 of these. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna end up using probably like 2.5. I don't think it's. But it says 3 quarts, so we'll see. But yeah, just get this shit in there. And this is the fill plug right here. That one right there. Oh, you motherfucker. Son of a bitch. Yeah, all that shit. Cool. Damn, this fucking pump sucks. Like, it actually sucks. Fucking good. It only took like 4 pumps. Well, 4 good pumps. Alright, let's do this shit again. So when you're filling your transmission oil, all you want to do is fill it up until you see it start spinning on the fill plug. So that's what I'm doing now. See, those are legit pumps right there. Oh yeah, look at that, already gone. Empty. Let me get closer. See how it's starting to spill? That's what you want. So that's just telling me that it's full, it's good to go. I gotta put the plug back on before it chop everything out. Might spill a little bit right now. Yeah, a lot of bit. Come on, bitch. Oh man, stop spilling. Look at that, beautiful. Alright. Get red. Alright, tighten this up. I don't know what size you guys' boat is, because mine is aftermarket, but mine's gonna be at number 19. Alright guys, so we're here now with the T case. I just figured I showed you guys. I had to notch this the mount off a little bit because of the drain plug that I have. It's a Allen drive drain plug, and I wasn't able to get a fucking Allen there, so I had to fucking notch it out and get an extended Allen. Where is it? Right here. So it works now. Just in case you guys run into the same issue. Now we're gonna put the oil in. So this one's gonna take a full 1 quart. I mean, obviously if you see it start coming out again like the transmission, just fucking stop and cap it. You should be good. So yeah, let's fill this bitch up. Alright guys, as you guys can see, I just finished filling up the T case. I ended up spilling a little more than I anticipated, but you should be good. So now that's tight. Obviously you guys gotta fucking drain your old oil before. I skipped that part, but you guys should already know that. Alright, so now I gotta do the rear diff. I probably won't get to that on this video, but because it's getting late and I have somewhere to be. So no, let me get out of here. Hold on. Alright, I made a fucking mess. I gotta have to end this video on you guys. I have somewhere to be and I gotta clean up all my shit now. But yeah, that's basically it for now. Until I get my what else? I still gotta fix that stupid oil pressure sensor. I gotta figure out what I can do. If you guys have any ideas, I appreciate it. But for now, I don't know. I'm lost. I gotta figure that shit out. I didn't even get a chance to put the PNP connectors on the rear injectors, so I'll probably do that another day. But like I said, I got somewhere to be and I gotta clean this shit up. So that's probably gonna end today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
Thanks, ugly guy. Bitch. Thanks. Bitch.